sparkling wine, we start with what's called a base wine, which is a still wine, that is no bubbles, and this one's made from Chardonnay. It was made last year, and then we re-ferment it in the bottle. The day before doing that, we add a yeast culture, a little bit of sugar for the yeast to feed on, and mix it up well. And so what we're putting into the bottle looks kind of funny because it's quite cloudy, and the cloudiness is because of all the yeast cells in there.